What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pancis. This is my 2008 Saab 9.3 TurboX. It is one of 600 ever built for the North American market. It is a pretty special car. If you haven't been following the channel and you are new, we purchased this car last year off of auction and it was in really rough shape. It's a one-owner car and we have completely brought this thing back to life. And in the last episode, if you haven't checked it out, we did a ceramic coating that was provided by Avalon King. So I'll leave the link in the description for that product once again, and you guys be sure to check out the video. Car came out amazing. So in this episode today, guys, we're going to go ahead and remove the headliner and possibly remove the track for the sunroof. Because if you haven't been following the channel or the build, in the last couple episodes, we posted about the failed sunroof. You know, when the weather broke out last month, of course, I was taking this thing around town, running some errands, and it was nice out, like 60 degrees and sunny at the time. And of course, as I went and opened up the sunroof, there was a couple clicks and a pop. And here we are today with a busted sunroof. So in order to get the track out of the car, or inspect it at least, the only way I can access it is by removing the headliner. So let me show you what I'm gonna have to do. Alright guys, so we are in the car, and as you can see, we have we call them snap bars, handlebars here with covers. So the screws that are behind those covers on each corner of the car will need to come out. As you can see up here, I removed the trim piece that's around the felt that goes here. I also removed everything over here by the lights, and of course I gotta remove, actually I don't really need to remove that at all, so that's good. And then from there I'll probably have to remove the trim pieces on the pillars in the rear, pillars over here in the front, and then of course over here there's covers for screws on both of these to pull down that on both sides. And from there it should free up this entire headliner. So definitely not the hardest task in the world that we face with these cars, but it's gonna be a tedious one. So stay tuned for this, and hopefully guys, we don't have to spend money on buying a new track. Maybe we can salvage what we have here. That's the plan. So again, this car's got 67,203 miles on it. And as you can see, the 496 is literally the amount of miles I've driven on the car since I purchased it back in November. So I've been treating it quite nicely, as you can tell. And as you can see, everything in the interior is pretty much nice and clean. And in the last episode, we went ahead and took care of the outside. So this car is really in top shape. And actually, if I'm gonna pull out the headliner and the pillars and everything right now, probably in one of the other series of this, I'll probably go ahead and shampoo everything, clean everything, or steam it, and just make sure everything's perfect, because this car is really nice. So we want to make sure that everything is clean and in top shape. So enjoy the video, guys. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. Talk to you here in a minute. Oh, me? Trying to remove. I'm gonna remove the headliner. Everything. All right, guys. So these handles, the handlebars are actually just held in with clips, as you saw me remove them. So is the sun visors. There's no screws here. The only ones that have screws are on the pillars on the front and on the rear. As you saw, anything that has an airbag cover like this, there's a 10mm bolt behind there to unscrew to remove the pillars. Now, as you can see, we can slowly go around the car and just undo the headliner.
Is it gonna fall on my head?
Eventually it might.
Okay, you have access now. You're good. Totally. You did it. Woohoo! Oh, hi. Need help? I would hate for it to rain right now.
You would hate what?
For it to rain right now. Just saying. This is a cool view of you. I got you through the windows in the back seats of the car. Haha. Hurry up before the rain comes.
Trying to figure out the system, how it works.
Mm.
I can maybe re-engineer it.
Mm.
You know?
There's no YouTubes on it? No YouTubes? Hello?
Nope.
Well, I guess you'll be the first one.
I think so.
Guys, this is the first YouTube video ever for a sunroof. For Saab. Something has always broken.
Oh, yes. Alright guys, I managed to get this up, so I'm hoping I can get these screws out. Alright, we've officially made a massive mess in the car here. We got parts everywhere. We got screws everywhere. We got panels everywhere. We got clips everywhere. And nothing to really show for it. Here's the deal. I mean, I can now move this back properly. See, I can move this back and this can come up. See guys, this is gonna come up now like that, the way it's supposed to. Here's where I have an issue. I have an issue, as you saw, with this side. This side of the track here is jammed forward in this forward position, covering the last screw to lift up this cover that you have here. So I'm a little bit at a loss. I'm not too sure what to do on how to unjam that. Like I said, I removed the gear here. So I thought maybe that would free up the track, but evidently it's not doing what it's supposed to do, which was free up the track. Man. So guys, seriously, there is nothing out there on this problem. I know there's been a lot of these issues with other people based on some reading I've done, but there's no video on it. So it's probably the closest video you've gotten so far to removing the headliner on these cars and kind of digging into this. So maybe it was educational for you. However, I still haven't been able to figure out what to do here, and I want to try to salvage what we have there, because I didn't really have it in the build's budget to go ahead and replace that track and all that nonsense. So if I can get away with doing that, that would be probably ideal. So let me know what your thoughts are out there. If anybody's dealt with this before, anything at all, please comment below. And of course, give this video a like so other people in the Saab world and YouTube algorithm can promote this to the others in the world. So I thank you guys for watching. Anybody that's got any experience with this stuff, please help. That's all I'm asking, because I need help. I don't know what to do here. I'm stuck, and I don't want to waste any money. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment below. And I got some other information, other videos coming out soon in the next episode, so be sure to stay tuned. Somebody from around the world sent me a very nice gift, and it is to restore the plastics on our cars. On these Saabs especially, they all have a lot of old plastic, so over age, they get worn out. And so we got the product in, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to some of the cars, show you guys what that is and the product itself, and hopefully it can help you guys as well with your cars and your black trim, whether it's a Saab or something else. So I will leave you off on that, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe, and always comment below. Follow me at Pancis on Instagram. See you next time.